You want the cut brush or?
Oh man, that sucks.
What? Well, that's what happens when you don't wear denim. Nerd.
Put it down my sleeve.
I told you it was going down your sleeve.
Hey, where's the wire brush
You wanna
on
smell what burnt flesh smells like?
Bacon.
Does it?
Yep. Smell like bacon?
It doesn't. It actually smells like burnt hair.
Oh, then you didn't burn your flesh. That bad. That one, don't worry about that little guy. Because I don't even know what bolts into that. Alright, so that works. Yeah, I cleaned it, got it completely clean now. Problem is, this is all the hardware from when we took apart the old truck, and it's not in here in any of these. Yeah, because where the shit did all the hardware go? Me and Joe. I got the big bolts right here that we had to find extras for the other day.
Yeah.
For those. So this is the right stuff for that. Well, that one is. Yeah.
Say that.
No, we knew that when we did it the other day. Remember, we just found something that fit. So yeah, by bolting this up to this, that should locate this bumper roughly where we want it. And I got this one.
That side. We gotta heat that one up.
Yeah, I know, but we need to get the bumper roughly where we want it before we can heat this one up to move it where we need it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, all right, here's your bolt. How are you looking? All right. Yeah, it's tweaked a little, so go ahead and bolt her up.
Fits. Wouldn't you know? Said it's good. Wouldn't you know?
So I don't know if you noticed this, but we are way further in over here than we are over there. Can you push in any at the top? Yeah, that's what I thought.
You got these plastics back here that are junk.
Yeah, well, that's not designed to hold it.
Well, no, what I'm saying is the bumper bracket's on there.
No, I know.
Plastics to this metal.
That's not supposed to hold it either. What's supposed to be holding it is this mount that we still have to mock. You know what I mean? The mount, the main support mounts.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is the black plastics that are attached to, or the black metal
This
that's
actually needs to come
where
out.
that attaches to this white skin,
Yeah, where?
all this moves and is loose.
Oh, well, yeah, it's gonna move. It is what it is. You don't see any of that. But it needs to sit like so.
Yeah, that looks good.
It does look good. Because this one needs to go in, which it looks like it's pretty decent there. And then this one needs to come out. Well, no, because that actually sucks in like it's supposed to. Yeah, that's half the problem here too. Oh. Okay, yeah. Here, we gotta take this whole front end apart and do it the right way. Damn it.
Socket.
Yo, garbage these things are.
Well, dude, you really gotta stop using them for what they're not meant to be used for.
Oh, but what are they? They're impact.
Screws.
They're impact, aren't they?
Screws, bro.
You told me these were impacts.
Yeah, but it's not.
It's not that kind of impact?
The torch tips. I mean, you're using too powerful to drill on it.
Oh, is that what you're going with?
That's the XR, baby.
Yeah.
Rustler.
Here,
What?
hold that. Can't be trusted with it apparently.
Huh?
I said I can't be trusted with it apparently. Alright. Now this thing is at least semi
Pliable.
freaking locked in.
Harness thing right behind that.
Yeah, I know.
And bolts.
I know, they're just hanging.
And you still be able to pull them back out before you get too far.
This all gotta come back apart.
What?
Yeah, this is mock-up, bro. That's how mock-up goes. Where'd the grill go?
We gotta get some duct tape. For what?
The grill.
When you took it off, put it somewhere.
No shit.
Right here. Where are all those parts? Was that the new parts for the motorcycle?
Yeah. If Granbury ever came over, it would probably get put together, but you know.
Ready, snap?
Yeah.
Snap.
Look
at that. Gorgeous.
Alright, grab a tape measure. See what our reveal is side to side, because I feel like we're revealing more here than we are over there. I still feel like this needs to go in like so.
It does.
But that means it needs to rotate up.
Mm-hmm.
And then that one needs to come out some.
Well, see, it has set points.
What has set points?
So, like, this piece should be, like, hitting that.
Should it though? I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, that's
So like
what I would
that?
say. Because now, look, it's flush with this when you
Yeah.
do that.
No, you're right.
What?
So you're saying there should be no reveal?
What do you say? So that means this needs to come way in.
Yeah, you're pulling that out. So what are we hitting that's stopping that from coming way in?
Little bolt, it's tight.
So we gotta move that arm back.
No, it just needs to rotate, but I got it tight. So if I loosened it a little bit and re-rotated, and it would give us flavor, and then we can tighten it where we need to.
How do you figure?
Makes sense if you don't think about
It doesn't. I was not thinking about it and it didn't make any sense. Okay.
Hold on. Give me that back.
I'm just gonna elongate those holes.
Yeah, I understand what you think you're going to do.
Uh-huh.
It ain't gonna work.
What do you mean it's not gonna work?
Well, you gotta elongate it this much. It was already all the way over. So this much is more than what you have here.
Will one bolt still lock into it?
The front one, yeah.
Well, there we go.
That one. But you're gonna have to take that much and it's gonna end up opening that all the way up.
Well, put it in that one on the front one and see where you end up. What do you mean? It's right in between them?
Yeah, because it was all the way over this way. And we
Yeah.
needed to come more that way. So you're gonna have to take out this center here.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I mean, this is just another support in the whole grand scheme of things, so. Alright, where you at? You got the bolt you pulled out, right? Here, and this is the bolt that goes into the bumper now. Well, it's gonna be the bolt, because that's what I could find. That did not make it any better. In fact, it made it worse.
I'm not snug back there. Oh yeah,
It made it way worse.
I messed up.
Guess you weren't right.
You used the wrong size shim.
Yeah, okay.
And I wasn't talking about doing that.
Yeah, no.
Well, see, I can still maneuver.
Alright, well, loosen it up and let's try and maneuver it then, because something ain't right here. Because the whole reason of spacing that back was to pull this whole thing aft, and what did you just do?
See, what happened was, you were talking, you scared me.
I scared you. You saw a spider? That sounds a lot more like your actual reason.
Maybe the ratchet thing.
What ratchet thing?
Socket wrench ratchet.
You mean a ratchet?
That's what I said, ratchet at first.
You said ratchet thing, and I was like,
Yeah, ratchet thing. Where's that?
yeah, that thing needs to go aft
Where's that?
even more. Which I don't get, because we were closer than this before. Look at it. How the hell did we get further away?
Oh, you know why? Because we can't go back anymore.
Why not?
Because this stud's holding us at the farthest point. This bumper guide that's in this groove thing, that's it.
It is. Then why?
So the reason why it looks further out is because he put a shim there and it wouldn't, it's cocked it like this.
Because we don't actually need it to go further back, we need it to come further up.
Yeah.
Because if you rotate up, it goes back into place. Alright, so pull the shim out. So you were wrong, John.
No,
You were wrong.
You just shimmed in the wrong spot.
No, we can't shim it.
I want to edit that out.
You're gonna come edit?
No, I'm going to control alt delete that.
You're gonna say, if you want to come edit, that'd be great. I'll teach you. I will teach you how to edit.
Why? Because that's good enough for a trailer.
Not good enough for my bedroom.
I don't think we've been pushing this bumper on all the way.
Yeah, I noticed that when you took it off this time. There's two little booby hoops.
Yeah,
But that thing is awful hard to get in there.
I think that's where our problem is.
Well, if that's the case, this is our problem. These frame rails.
No, because this all sits above it. The frame rails will come out to the deals here and we'll mount our hooks there. Let's try and push it all the way on.
Yeah.
Now that I'm looking at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that made a big difference for me.
You're like,
All the way on. You gotta like hit it. Nope. Here, let Daddy do it. You just gotta, sometimes you gotta grab her and give her that kick. Oh my God, it looks so much better now. I can't believe we've been doing this the whole time. Ah, tell me no one's watching. How does everything look now? Well, let's bolt up our mounts now and see how that all works out.
what needs to happen here? It's rotate up.
Like this, yeah.
Yeah, just a hair.
How does that look?
It'd look better if you tighten it all the way.
Yeah, hang on.
Send it. Ooh, that made it worse.
Other way.
Exactly, that's what I was trying to say.
Other way.
Oh, we were hoping it was gonna go the other way.
We're snuggy. Where do we need to be up and down on this one?
Realistically, I have no idea. I think it looks fine right here because it's,
Okay.
you know what I mean? The trick is getting the other side to match this side.
Apparently the bumper gap is different.
What do you mean?
It's all about the how much play it's got in it for each one. That's why there's such a big bumper gap. We're also gonna smash into the fender.
For what?
We're also gonna smash into the fender.
Oh. Wait, because all of this is determined from where it rides in this freaking thing on the bumper, which ties right into the fender. So, I mean, they've all got a pretty decent gap right there.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd love to make it smaller, but I don't know a way to do that without getting crazy, and I don't feel like doing that right now.
Then you line up, what is this?
Come here.
And that's lined up.
Come here.
That's off just a little bit.
It is. Look over here. See the gap from the corner to the bend?
Mm-hmm.
Go look at the other side. Now, it could be crazy.
More closer.
But I think we can take that adjustment. We have some adjustment in the grill. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna roll up underneath it with the welder. I'm gonna need you to hold it like that, and I'm gonna try and tack that bracket that we just loosened and tightened.
I don't know welding shoes on the deck.
I know you don't. Oh.
Right there?
Alright, you tell me.
Yep.
Yeah?
Right there.
John, your job is to make sure I don't catch on fire. John, back my speed down, will you? Take me down to 5. Good?
Ready? Ready for that?
Yeah,
around with elements.
So I'm pretty sure it took longer for us to get that bumper lined up than it took to get all of the mounts done on the truck. We just could not get it to fit right. But being as it's the front bumper, it's going to be the first thing everybody sees, so it had to be perfect. And I'm kind of a stickler when it comes to stuff like that, which these guys hate. But in the end, it came out really good, especially once we figured out we've been doing it wrong for half the day. Make sure you guys keep checking in. We got a couple more videos on the ramp truck, and then it's going to be taking a little break as we move into some other projects. We're basically to the point where we need a motor, and that's going to be a spendy item, and Granbury's not ready to drop the money on it yet, which I don't blame him. You know, we got a few other projects that can come in and take its place, as you guys have been seeing going on around here. One day we'll actually finish some of them, but make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.